Good morning everybody, thank you for joining the channel again. I'd like to say welcome to all those that have joined, the new subscribers, really do appreciate it. It's always great when people press the bell, press the like, helps with the algorithm. So for those that have only just joined on the YouTube channel, my name is Callum. I am on my way to work. I am a teacher during Monday or over the week, where I teach sterilization. Now, sterilization is not castration. It is all to do with reusable medical devices and how they are cleaned and then put through washer and disinfectors, sterilizers and things like that. Then I do a van build. I have one day, and out of the one day I will try my hardest to get as much as done, but then it's still lots of other things like going to Bunnings, picking up wood and trying to get this van build up and going. The other issue that I have, that over the weekends I'm a nurse where I look after between, on a Saturday, 35 patients, and on a Sunday anything up to 42 patients. So as you can guess, my days are pretty numbered when it comes to working in the van. But what I would like to show you, even just for today, it's just a few things while the rain has been coming down that I have not been able to do any building because we've got a small shed and it is packed and I have to take the wood outside, and obviously I don't want to get the wood wet when we are when it's been pouring down with rain. But I'll show you a couple of things that I have done, and one of them, bear with me. One of the greatest things was I installed a radio. It's a XRS GME radio where you can connect it up to your cell phone and send breadcrumbs, and people can see where you are if you want to. But there is another great feature of this, is that when I have actually just to get to work, I can switch it off. I can then pull this little plug out and put that into my little container or into my lunchbox, and then once I've finished the day I come back, put it in, plug it in, switch it on. How neat is that? Anyway, there's something else that I also want to show you, and that is our ensuite toilet that we did. We've got a toilet in the inside, but obviously we're not going to use it inside, so I've put an ensuite outside, which I'm dying to show you guys. So here it comes. You remember I showed you the extreme darkness 270? Well, this came in the post the other day. This is my ensuite. So it was actually very easy to hook up. Same principle again. Put everything, open it up. It's got Velcro straps. Remove the strap, remove the strap. Now the nice thing about this one, it has a built-in floor. Either or, I put it in, but it does come with it. Then there's a little strap over here, and it's magnetic, and it just opens up. There we go. This one, we have an ensuite, and there is also a roof that I can attach to, which I haven't done yet. But how cool is that? Pretty easy. You've got adjustable straps inside so that you can lower it down depending on how the height it is. It works on gas struts, and very easy to set up and very easy to put back. So good on you, Bushwakka, for helping us out and suggesting this Ensuite. And it's actually rather nice to go with the other Bushwakka 270 Extreme Darkness that we've got. I have put also a solar panel on, but it started pouring down with rain, and I don't feel that I want to drill holes into the roof at the moment until I've got it's a bit of a sunnier day. So I've left it on the roof at the moment, mounted it, made the brackets, and we'll just wait for another nice day, and I'll run the cables through, and then I can start working with the Bluetti and keeping the charge of the fridge going without having it to sit into the shed. So I'll put this back up quickly, and unfortunately I can't do with one hand, but yeah, it's nice space for a toilet or a change room. Nice easy zips. Come inside, and there's the floor, and then there is a water release on here as well. There we go. There's the zip over there, so you can, that will let the water out. Oh, keep it in. The nice thing is that our shower hot water system blew the other day, so we still had hot showers because of our shower hot water system that we've got from Companion. So there you are, guys, just a quick video just to show you what I've been up to, and hopefully it will be a better day so I can drill holes in the roof and work with the wood. But have a great week ahead, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers. These videos I'm about to show you or some of our trips that we've had in and around Australia. Please feel free to go all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see us traveling and seeing Uluru, Catherine, Madaranka with the hot springs. We have traveled all the way from Adelaide right up to the top of Darwin. We've got a month's travel, so just scroll all the way down. It's not just a van build. If you're getting bored, you're waiting for me to carry on doing something else in the van, have a look downstairs. It's pretty interesting. So thank you ever so much. Enjoy the videos that I can post and when I can post them, and I look forward to hearing any comments or anything that you guys would like to know. I'm very happy to share with you what I've done or how I've done it. But remember, I'm not a tradie. I'm not a person that can do everything. It takes me a while. So all I can say is measure, and then cut. So have a fantastic week ahead, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Cheers, guys. Come on. Hello. Hello. Say hello.